Who are the Fulani, also called Fulbe? The Fulani are a people of West and Central Africa, known for centuries for their pastoral way of life and their deep attachment to livestock. Traditionally, many Fulani are nomadic herders. With their herds, they travel long distances across the Sahel savannas in search of water and pasture. This demanding life has forged men and women accustomed to enduring the heat, long marches, hardships, and dangers of travel. Courage, endurance, and the ability to face adversity thus occupy an important place in the traditional image of the Fulani. But being Fulani does not only mean being a herder. Throughout their history, the Fulani have settled in many regions of Africa while preserving their language, identity, and customs. At the heart of this identity lies Pulaaku, a moral code that defines how a Fulani should behave. It is based on Munyal, patience and endurance, Semteende, modesty and restraint, and Hakkillo, intelligence, reflection, and discernment. Pulaaku also values dignity, self-control, courage, and respect. Fulani culture is also transmitted orally. Elders teach the young through stories, proverbs, songs, and advice. Even today, the Fulani are present in a large part of the Sahel and West and Central Africa. Their history is that of a people deeply marked by pastoralism, mobility, courage, and a moral code that continues to shape the Fulani identity.